Hello everyone. So in this video, basically what I want to do this week is go through Google Ads and build out a campaign with you and build out the different ad groups and just show you very kind of briefly how you build out ad groups for Google Ads and how you would create an effective campaign for a flooring company. So let's get straight into it. So basically you can see here, whether you're familiar with Google Ads or not, they change it around non-stop, but at the moment this seems to be the interface that they've got. So I'm using an old Google Ads account here, so I can show you this this tutorial really. So if we go into campaigns, you're going to want to first work out what campaigns that it is you need. So when deciding what campaigns to use, you generally need to kind of understand what your budget is first. Because if you haven't really got a particularly big budget, let's say it was like 25-30 quid a day, then you're probably not going to have enough budget to split around multiple campaigns. Because, for example, if you had a £30 budget and you split that into two campaigns, then that means that you've only got £15 budget for each campaign, and that can use up your cost per click. That can use up your budget very quick if the cost per click is quite high. So you won't get many clicks for the amount of budget you're running. Whereas if you had, for example, like £50 a day, £100 a day, you could split that into 2, 3, or even 4 different campaigns. You know, if you was running, let's say, £50 a day, you could have 2 campaigns which were £25 in each campaign. So the reason you want to like different campaigns is because you can target, like, for example, different types of flooring in different campaigns. So you can create one campaign which will be just general flooring. You could create another campaign that should be like wood flooring. You could create another campaign for laminate flooring, another campaign for carpet, and basically what that does is it allows Google to kind of understand the kind of keywords that work better for those campaigns and are going to convert higher, and you should really be getting a better kind of return if you're running multiple campaigns for multiple services. But if you don't have a very big budget, let's say like you have got a budget of around 30 pound a day, then you can just create one campaign and then create lots of different ad groups within that campaign. So let's just run with this one here. So let's say that you want to create the campaign for flooring. So within a campaign you have different ad groups. So an ad group is basically one ad, and when you're setting this up, you're going to want to think about the main ways of organizing this ad group. So if we're targeting flooring, the main ad groups that I build is I normally do one which is general flooring, and then I will copy that, and then you can basically just paste that here like that. So it does take a little while to paste sometimes. So the flooring campaign will be kind of general flooring terms, so like flooring company, flooring services, and there's no kind of actual location tied to these keywords or anything like that. These are people that are just searching for those kind of broader keywords. And then the next campaign is going to be basically like local terms, so like near me, nearby, local, near you, whatever, near us, or anything like that. So like I say, it does take a little while to actually copy and paste ad groups, which is a little bit annoying. In the meantime though, what we can do is just do a little bit of keyword research. So what you can do, if you go up to tools and then you go planning, you can go to the keyword planner, and I've got to reload this, saying something's going wrong. Alright, okay, so that didn't even work, copying and pasting that. So we'll just stick with the one ad group for now. So the first ad group would be flooring, the second one would be flooring near me, and the last one would be flooring in location. So for example, flooring London. So what you want to do is you'd want to go up and do your keyword research. You want to discover new keywords here. You'd want to put into here something like, we'll just put flooring for now. Then you'd want to select the location that you're in. You know, obviously if it's a different country, so you want to select the right country. If you're just targeting London, you want to select just London, and then you'd want to search. So what we need to do now is try and find all of the keywords that would go into this ad group here, the flooring group. So we're not going to put things like laminate, vinyl, carpet, or anything like that. We're only going to put keywords that are just about flooring. We're also not going to put in like near me terms or anything like that. Nearby, local, flooring London, flooring whatever location. We just want terms where it's like flooring services, flooring company, all of that sort of stuff. So what you can do is you can use the filter. So you can add the filter up there, and you can put into here contains, and then you can put like services. So for example, you know, you could put that keyword into the ad group, and basically what you'd want to be doing is just selecting each one, and then you'd want to go add keyword to create a plan. So what that's going to do is it's going to put that into like a plan just for flooring services. So I'm not sure what filter I've got on here, but it's kind of hidden all of the... I can't scroll down. Not sure what's going on here. Right, I'm going to refresh this page. So you can use the filters up the side here, so you can filter out brands. So you want to click here. That gets rid of all the brands. Contractor keywords. So these kind of keywords here, you can filter those out. Retailer, other brands, and things like that. So you can quite easily, really quickly start filtering out a lot of the keywords that we're not going to be using. So basically, you just want to go through these keywords. So like flooring installation would be a good one for the flooring group, the flooring ad group. Just keep going through and finding any keywords that you think are going to be good for that particular group of keywords. So I'm not going to spend very long on this because it is only a quick demo just to show you. Like flooring companies would be another one. So add keywords. So yeah, really, to be honest, you want to use the filter, but the last time I used the filter, it stopped me from scrolling down. Keyword, and then okay, it's just not, it doesn't seem to be working today. Because that hasn't filtered that out at all. Anyway, so once let's say that you've created a list of keywords, you'd go back to the planner here. Then you would find the keywords that you found. So these ones here: flooring services, flooring installation, flooring companies, and we would add these to our ad group. So basically, you can export these keywords. If you go to here, go to Google Sheets, export them, and then that's going to open that up into a sheet that you can then copy and paste into Google Ads. So you can see these are the 3 keywords that we're going to add. So we'll go back to our campaign here, click on that, and then what we'll do is we'll add the keywords. So you can see these are the keywords that we're going to start with for this campaign. And then what we're going to do is, if you was to leave them as they are, they will go in as what is called broad match keywords. But what we want to do is put them in as phrase match keywords. So you would put quotation marks either side of them, and that would put them in as phrase match as opposed to broad match. I'm not sure why, but it keeps jamming every time I'm trying to scroll down. So then we'd add them to the campaign. So anyway, then we would start building out the ad group. So we'll go to this ad group here, and what I do generally is I will build 3 separate ads for every single ad group. So you'll click the plus icon here. Ad groups. Even though I've just hold on. I've literally just added the keywords and now it's not saying that I haven't got any in there. Right, so we've added the keywords into the campaign, and now what we want to do is create an ad. So what you want to do is you want to create a unique landing page for every single ad group. So for example, this is the flooring services ad group. So you'd want to create a landing page that is just for flooring services. So we go over to here. You can see this is an example of a landing page, and you know, this one here, you'd put flooring company or flooring services, and then you know, you'd put all of your different services on this landing page. You'd make sure that you're getting people to get in touch for a quote or call you. You'd put all of the information about your business on here. So you know, you'd put mobile showroom, next day delivery, all of that kind of stuff. Some different case studies. You'd put the steps to get in touch, a contact form, any questions or anything like that, and then a map of the areas that you actually cover, making sure that all of you've got your name, your phone number and your email address at the bottom here, and just make this landing page built to convert as opposed to give people information on your products and services. You'd also want to put in your reviews as well, so your reviews will go here, what our customers say about us. So basically we'll come over to the ad here. We'd put the URL in that we're going to be using for this particular ad. And then this bit here is the display path, so how it's going to look when people see your ad when they search, for the keywords. So, for example, if you're targeting flooring services, then you would put in here flooring services. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create 15 headlines. So you're going to want to basically use every single available headline that you can, because what will happen here is Google will. You'll enter 15 different headlines into here, and Google is then going to rotate each of those headlines until it finds the best performing one. So for example, in here you would put flooring services, then you would put flooring company, you would put things like trusted reviews, top flooring fitters. So basically what you're trying to do is, based on the keyword research, you're just trying to get lots of different keywords and variations of the same keyword in these headlines, and you're also trying to put in things that are going to, you know, help people make a decision to actually click the ad. So for example, like you know, 100 plus 5-star reviews, you know, fully insured or something like that. So residential flooring services, flooring company services, until you filled out every single one of these headlines. Now, just a little trick that I use really for finding ideas for headlines would be using something like ChatGPT. That's very good at generating different ideas. So you could just put in here a very simple prompt to say, generate different for Google Ads based on this keyword. So now it's going to go off and find some different headlines that you can use. So things like top rated flooring specialist would be a good one. So something like that. Beautiful floors expertly installed. That one's a bit too long. You've only got 30 characters here. So you could put number 1, number dot 1. No, it's still too long. You don't have to put the comma there. And just mix it up really. So upgrade your floors could be another one. Then you could put, is that going to be too long, that one? Just put flooring solutions, book your flooring service. You could just put that, book your flooring service. Flooring solutions, flooring repairs, flooring installations, affordable flooring services, so that would be a good one. And then get a quote today would be another quite good one to put in there. You could put 100 plus. Can't remember if you're allowed to, I don't think you're allowed to use the plus, it might flag that up. So you could just put over 100 5-star reviews, fully insured. So there you go. Now we filled out 15 different headings for this particular ad group, and all it is focusing on you know, just flooring. So we're not specifying any type of flooring. We are literally just you know, covering the general keyword of flooring services. Next, what you want to do is you want to fill out 4 descriptions. So at the moment, what it does is it gives you 2 standard descriptions, but what you also want to do is press the plus buttons there and make sure that you write 4 separate descriptions. Again, the more that you can add, the better, because Google, like I say, will rotate these different descriptions. It will rotate these different headings, and it will test out what ones are getting the best click-through rate, what ones are getting the most interaction, what ones are not working. And then you can basically start looking at the data later down the line and understanding what is going to work best for your business and what is going to be the most efficient for your business. So again, you can do so you got this view ideas thing up here. I think that's Google's own AI, but you can just go onto ChatGPT and ask it to write some descriptions for you, because you can see you've got 90 characters there. So you could say now write for now obviously this is I'm only doing this very quickly, so you'd want to refine this a lot more to make sure all of these descriptions and all of these keywords and stuff are more tailored to your business. So yeah, that would be one, put that in there. 75 characters, that one. The next one, this one, and this one. So now you've got 4 descriptions here, and then what you want to do, you do the site links at the end. I would not do these now, because basically if you add the site link for this ad, then these site links will only be for this ad, it won't be for the whole campaign. So now what we've done is we've created a landing page which is specific to this ad. We've created a URL which is specific to this ad, to the keywords that you're targeting, and then we've added all of the headlines so they are highly relevant to the actual keyword that we're trying to target in this ad group. And then we've added all of the 4 descriptions, just trying to, get as much in there as possible that's going to get someone to actually convert into a click and into a conversion. So if you've verified your Google business account, you can add your business name and logo, so that will be in there. And like I say, you don't want to add site links at this level, you want to add site links at the campaign level. So like I say, if you was to add site links now, that would only add the site links to this one particular ad, it wouldn't add it to the whole campaign. So now you just want to click Save Ad. So that is the first ad sorted. Okay, so that's the first ad. And then what you want to do is you want to copy this ad, and then you're going to want to paste it into this campaign again. Then add it in. And what we're going to be doing here is we're going to create 3 variations of this same ad here. So all we're going to be doing is copying this ad, pasting it, and then we're going to be creating a variation of this ad, and then we're going to copy and paste this ad again, and we're going to create another variation of this ad. Because like I was saying a minute ago, the headlines and the descriptions, how Google rotates them and understands which one are going to work, best, which ones are getting the most interaction and stuff like that, and which ones, are not so good. When you create another ad, when you create multiple ads within one ad group, Google does the same thing. It will rotate the ads within that group. So this is taking ages. This might come up an error again. I'm not really sure why it's playing up tonight. Normally it's a bit quicker than this. And this step in particular of copying and pasting the ads, and creating 3 different versions of the ads, is something that not a lot of people actually do. They would generally just create one ad group and one ad, and then they leave it at that. Whereas if you create 3 different ads, and then you create 3 variations, all targeting the same keyword, then you're going to get a much higher chance of finding an ad that actually works better than the ones that you created. So you're just kind of split testing. You're trying to get data from different ads, and you're trying to understand what is going to work best. This is taking forever. This is just not even going to work, I don't think. I don't know what's happened there. Has that actually worked? So that's not even copied and pasted it. I don't know why. So all you can do is create another ad for now. It does seem to have added in all the information from the last ad. So there you go, it's created another ad. So we can just do it like that for now. So it's pulled in all the information from the other ad rather than copy and pasting. Okay, so now if we go back to the ad group, you can see this one ad group for flooring now has 3 different variations of ads in it. So you've got ad 1, ad 2 and ad 3. So at the moment all of these ads are identical. So now what you'd do is you'd go into this second ad here, not the landing page. You would keep the landing page the same. You would keep the the display path the same, so the URL here. And then what you'd do is you'd go through and you would create variations of these different headings. Now it looks like Google's actually auto-generated all of this because these aren't the ones I put in. So yeah, for some reason Google's auto-generated the whole lot, and I haven't even asked it to do that. So basically, what you would do anyway, like I was saying, is you would duplicate the first ad. You would duplicate this ad. You would then create a variation of it with this one, and then you would duplicate it again, and you would create another variation. So you've got 3 different variations of ads there, which are then going to rotate. Google's basically going to come back with all of the data saying, how many clicks it's getting, how many impressions, what the click-through rate, what the average click-through rate is, how much it's cost you, conversion rates, all of that kind of stuff. And then, 6 months down the line, you can look at these 3 ads here and you can try and work out which one, it should be quite obvious as to which one is getting shown the most and which one is performing the best. And then what you can do is you can basically just turn off these other ads here, like that, or remove them entirely. Probably best is to turn them off. And then just keep that one ad running that is, that's producing the best results. You don't need to run these ones anymore because this one here has proved itself to be the best ad. So, it could just be the combination of words. It could just be, the order in which you've written something that gets that gets more clicks than these other ads here. So once you've created that one ad group, you then want to, like I mentioned a minute ago, is copy and paste this ad group to create another one. So the next ad group that we're going to create would be we'll call this one O2, and it will be flooring near me. So you'd put in here. So the type of keywords that we're going to target in this campaign are going to be like flooring nearby, flooring services near me, anything that's got local in it. So local flooring company. So flooring near me, flooring nearby, flooring services near me, or local flooring company. Those types of keywords are the kind of keywords that we're targeting this campaign. And then, of course, for this campaign, you're going to want to slightly change things out a bit. So you can see flooring, and it's got flooring services, but this time it's going to be flooring near me. So now you can see when it reloads, you can see that the URL is going to be flooring/near me. And then the main keyword that we're going to be targeting is flooring near me. And then again, what we're going to be doing is going through here, we're going to be putting things like near me or local or nearby or anything like that. So trusted reviews near me, flooring fitters nearby, top rated flooring specialist. You could put upgrade your floors in your, I don't think we're going to have enough room for that. We could just put nearby. Flooring solutions in your area. Okay, don't have enough room for that. We'll remove the in. Get a quote today near, you could just put near you, so you can mix it up from nearby or near me to near you. Fully insured, we could put local flooring, and you can just put dash fully insured. Again, same with these descriptions here. They're going to want to make sure that you've got like local terms in them. So get a free quote today. Transform your space for flooring services. Then you'll want to put near me. Flooring solutions. You could put high quality local flooring solutions. Upgrade your home and business to new floors. Flooring near. No, not going to have enough room for that. For a fast local estimate. So what we're just trying to do is get as many of these local type keyword modifiers in the headings and in the descriptions as possible. So basically when someone searches for something like flooring near me, flooring services near me, flooring company near me, top flooring fitters nearby, or anything like that, you know, a lot of these headings and these descriptions are going to match the keywords that they're searching for, and they're much more likely to click an ad that has those keywords in it, the keywords that they're actually searching for, than one that doesn't have those keywords in. So so that would be that. Again, you want to make sure that you fill out all 4. You want to make sure that you fill out all 15 headings, and then we would press save and continue. So then we've got that second campaign there. And again, if we go into this campaign and we go to the ads, you're going to want to basically duplicate this ad group again another 2 times, and then create 2 different variations of that ad group. So the last ad group that I would create for flooring would be flooring in a specific area. So the next ad group would be 03, and that would be flooring. You know, let's just do London. Flooring London. And then the keywords that you'd want to target in this campaign are going to be obviously flooring London and any other flooring London keyword. So flooring services London, flooring company London. Oh, I can't type. And any other thing that you can think of that is just flooring and London. So you don't want to be putting anything in there like wood flooring London, vinyl London, or anything like that. We just want to stick to the flooring keywords. So then you would save and continue. Obviously, you do proper keyword research. You wouldn't just make it up like I have. But then you'd put in here flooring, and in here you would put London, and then you would put. You just see what you can fit in this box here, because you only get 15 characters. So flooring London is fine. So this top keyword here would be flooring London, and then you would basically just go through these different keywords here, and you would put in here trusted reviews London, flooring company London, top flooring fitters London. You can mix it up. You can put a little in there. So flooring fitters in London, if you've got the room to do it, if you get the 30 characters. Flooring solutions London. Get a quote a day in London. You could put fully insured in London. And again, what we're trying to do is when someone searches for the keyword flooring London, all of these different headings contain London. I would say probably 90% of these 15 headings here all need to have the word London in them somewhere, because when someone searches for flooring London or any kind of variation of the keyword flooring London, when this ad comes up on the search results and all they can see is flooring London, flooring London, flooring London, all the way throughout the ad, it's going to be so blatantly obvious that what you do is what they're looking for. And again, it will be exactly the same with the description. So transform your space for expert flooring services. And then you could put in London. Affordable, high quality flooring solutions in London. Upgrade your home with stunning new floors in your London. I know I haven't got enough room, but I was going to put in your London property. So you can mix it up. New floors just in London again then. Expert flooring installation repairs in London. You could even get it in there twice. Near you in London. Oh no, too many. So anyway, that's what you would do with that one. Press save and continue. So now you can see that for the campaign flooring, we've got flooring near me, flooring London, and flooring. These are our 3 separate ad groups. So once you've got those 3 campaigns, depending on how you're going to run Google Ads, whether you're going to run them in separate campaigns or whether you're going to build out the ad groups. So like I was saying at the beginning, if you've got only a small budget, let's say you've got £25, £30 a day, then it's probably best just to build all of the other ad groups within this one here. But if you've got a bigger budget, let's say 50 quid, let's say £100 per day, then you can split that £100 up to then create different campaigns. So for example, you could have £25 in this campaign per day. You could have £25 per day in a wood flooring campaign. You could have another £25 in a carpet campaign, and another £25 in a laminate flooring campaign. But like I was saying, if you've only got a small budget, it's better off just to build out one ad group here. So you'd create these 3 different ad groups. These are what I would say are like the kind of the basic ad groups. You've got your broad keyword, you've got your local keyword there, like the near me terms, and then you've got your area specific keyword. So the next ad group that you could build out would be a different type of flooring. So I'm not going to try and copy and paste because it's just not working. So I'm just going to press to build out an ad group. So now what you do is you'd repeat the process for the different types of flooring. So now let's say wood flooring. And then we'd put in here wood flooring. And then we'd put wood flooring services. Wood flooring company. Wood flooring fitters. So this is just about wood flooring and wood flooring services and fitters and things like that. Not wood flooring sanding, not wood flooring restoration or anything like that, because they can go in their own ad group. So you'd click save and continue. Looks like Google's probably going to generate its own. I don't know if that's generating its own one or whether it's just copying and pasting the one I did earlier. It looks like it's actually the same one. So yeah, now you can see this has generated a new ad group, and you would put in here wood. You can probably put fit flooring in there as well, and you can just have the URL as wood flooring services. You would create a landing page specific to wood flooring services, and you would link that up here, and then you would put in here wood flooring, and then all of these keywords down here would be about wood flooring. So trusted reviews, top wood flooring, top rated flooring. I mean, we can't fit any more in there, so you can leave that one. Upgrade your wood floors or wooden floors if you wanted to put that. You could put in here wood flooring solution. You could even put in there hardwood. Another way would be to put a variation like solid wood. You know, just think of all of the different wood flooring keywords that people are likely to search for, and make sure that you put them in here, obviously along with things like get a quote today and 5-star reviews and things like that, fully insured. And then the same with the descriptions. You're going to want to make sure that you're putting in here expert wood flooring services, affordable, high quality wood flooring solutions. Upgrade your home with stunning new wooden floors. Expert wood flooring installation and repairs. So that would be that one done. So if we sort these in order, so you can see the first one is all about just targeting the general keywords. The second one is the near me, and the next one is the location based one. So we'll do the next two for wood flooring, and then you can kind of see how I basically build out the campaign. So O2 wood flooring near me. So that keyword there will be wood flooring near me. Again, wood flooring. Wood flooring services near me. Local. Wood flooring company. What else would there be? Wood flooring store nearby. So these are some examples of keywords that you would use for this campaign, or this ad group in particular. So now the URL would change to wood flooring, and this bit here would be near me. You would then put this one here as near me, wood flooring near me. These here would be, so previously this heading was just wood flooring company. Now this one is wood flooring company nearby. Trusted reviews near me. Top flooring fitters near you. So we're just mixing it up. Near me, near you. Top rate flooring. So that should, obviously you still want to be getting in here like wood flooring. Upgrade your wood floors nearby. You can just take off the S there. Local wood flooring solutions. Get a quote today near me. Affordable. And the near me campaigns and the local campaigns generally do actually perform better than any other campaign I've found. So expert wood flooring services nearby. Affordable high quality flooring solutions. Let's say wood flooring solutions. Near me. And you get the point. So that would be that one. Okay, and then the last one that we're going to build out would be wood flooring London. So this one, 03. Wood flooring London. The keywords you would put in there would be wood flooring London. Wood flooring company London. Wood floor store London. And you get the point. These are the types of keywords that will go into this campaign. So now here would be wood flooring, and this bit here would be London. And this bit here would be wood flooring London. And then you would just basically add London and wood flooring to these keywords here where you can fit it in. So flooring company London, well I don't think we're going to fit, oh no, we will fit wood in there. So wood flooring company London, trusted reviews in London, top wood flooring fitters London, too many words, so let's change that to wood floor fitters. Now that fits. Upgrade your wood floors, and then London's probably not going to fit, but we can take out the S in floors. We could put in here London wood flooring solutions. You could put fully insured London again, flooring company services, flooring. So yeah, as you can see, we're just trying to get the keywords in there. We're trying to get wood flooring, and we're trying to get London and this in all of the headings here. And then again, it will be exactly the same process for the descriptions here. So transform your space of expert flooring, wood flooring services in London. Again, the same here. So high quality wood flooring solutions. Oh, that thing is doing my head in. London, and then exactly the same here. So this is how I would structure a Google Ads campaign, basically. So let's start from the top here. This is your campaign, which is about flooring. And like I say, if you've got a low budget, then you'd only run one campaign. And then within this campaign, we have at the moment 6 different ad groups. So you can see number 1, the way I categorize them anyway is I'll put number 1 for the general keywords. So you can see number 1 flooring, number 1 wood flooring. And in these 2 campaigns, in this one here, we're targeting just flooring keywords. And in this one here, we're just targeting wood flooring keywords. The next group is going to be number 2, which is going to be near me, local keywords. So in this ad group here, you can see that we're targeting near me, local, nearby, any of those types of keywords, and just flooring for this one. And this one here for wood flooring near me, we're going to be targeting, you know, local wood flooring nearby, wood flooring services nearby, wood flooring company nearby, all of those types of keywords. And then the third group is going to be the location-based one. So you can see here, flooring London. The only types of keywords that we're going to be targeting in that particular ad group is going to be the flooring London keywords, flooring London, flooring services, flooring experts London, whatever it is that you can find in the keyword research tool. And then the last one here is going to be flooring, wood flooring London, and again we're going to be targeting all of the wood flooring London keywords within this particular ad group. So, you know, wood flooring London, wood flooring services London, wood flooring company London. So you can see what we're trying to do is we're just trying to group all of these keywords into the different types of flooring and the different ways that people search for these keywords, because each of these ad groups here are all going to have their own landing pages. So, you know, like I say, if we click through to this ad here and we click through to the actual ads, all of these ads here they're all going to have the same landing page, but they're going to be specific to flooring services. You know, it's going to be an ad like this, flooring company in or flooring services, and that's going to correlate to this ad group here. And then if we go to the next ad group, which was wood flooring, there will be 3 ads in each group, by the way, but in this ad, you're going to have the landing page which correlates to this particular ad group. So this is going to be a landing page that says wood flooring. What is this, the nearby one? No, this is just wood flooring. And then this one here, moving on to flooring near me, you know, you're going to have a landing page which says flooring services near you. That would be the heading for that landing page. Again, there will be 3 different ads in here. And basically we just repeat this process for all of the different services that you offer in the different locations. So you can see, if we was to continue building this out, then the other ad groups that we would be creating would be, you know, let's say that you offered laminate flooring, it would be number 1, laminate flooring. Number 2 would be laminate flooring near me. Number 3 would be laminate flooring London. Let's say that you offered carpet as well. You would then create an ad group for carpet. Then you'd be number 2 would be carpet near me, and then number 3 would be carpet London. And then let's say that you wanted to target more than just London. So you wanted to target, you know, some of the boroughs of London. So, you know, Bromley or whatever, Richmond, and, you know, all of the kind of boroughs that you can think of. I can't think of the top of my head right now. But you would then continue with this same format. So, for example, Flooring Bromley would be another ad group that you would create. Flooring Greenwich would be another one that you could create. You know, whatever it is, wherever it is that you want to target, you just keep repeating this process here. And generally, what the best way of doing it, if it actually worked, would be when you create one ad group. So you create this flooring one here. You would then create 3 ads, 3 variations, and then you would go back to the ad groups here. You would click on this ad group. You would select edit, copy, and then paste. And then you would paste it into here, because then what's happened is you've already created 3 ads for this one ad group. So you would be able to, when you duplicate that, those 3 ads will be in the next ad group that you create, and then you can just modify that ad group for wood flooring, and then you can duplicate that again, and you could modify that ad and those 3 ads for flooring near me, and you can just keep duplicating ads over and over and over, and modifying them for the keywords that you're trying to target, and that is going to be a lot more efficient way of building your ads out. And that's it really. Obviously, I'm only kind of going over this in you know, like an introduction sort of thing to the way you would structure a Google Ads campaign for a flooring company, but you know, there are lots of other settings and things like that we can go through at a later date. So yeah, like I say, all of these ad groups will have their own landing pages, and you're creating a very hyper targeted ad group for when people search for the keywords that you want to get found for. So yeah, I'm going to leave it at that today. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you've got any questions, as usual, let me know.